Are you looking to make your special someone a personalized gift for Valentine's Day? Why not make them an animated card that you can send with your favorite messaging app? Show them that you really care by making something creative, fun, and personal. Trust me, these make a big impression for Valentine's Day. In today's class, I'll show you exactly how to make one, including how to send it to your smartphone when it's done. This class will teach you how to animate a Valentine's Day card for your loved one. I'm including 3 different styles to choose from. There's a separate lesson for each one. So if you want to save some time, you can just watch the lesson for the style that you want to create. First, I'll show you how to set up your project so it can be viewed from a smartphone. Next, I'll show you different ways to animate hearts, which we can add to your card. Then we will animate some text that you can personalize, so they'll know you made it for them. Finally, I'll show you how to export the final animation and how to send it with a messaging app of your choice. For our class project, we will be creating an animated Valentine's Day card, similar to these examples. The class requirements for this class are a computer or tablet along with the program Rough Animator. If you don't want to use Rough Animator, most 2D animation programs will be able to achieve the same results. A drawing tablet or stylus is recommended for this class as well, but it's not required. If you're not familiar with Rough Animator, don't worry. It's only $5, and it's really easy to learn. This class is for beginners, but animation fans and professionals are also welcome. Hey there, my name is Patrick Davidson, and I'm an Expat Animator. I work mainly in 2D, or hand-drawn animation. I started animating over 20 years ago now, and I've learned a lot by trial and error. You can avoid a lot of my errors by learning the animation techniques I actually use to complete my projects. Animated projects like the 100-episode web comedy series, Traveling Gringos, or my 22-minute short action film, Trep. These personal projects have helped me find client work ranging from TV commercials to feature films. If you're working alone like me, you will need to learn more skills than just animation to get your project completed. Skills like character design, scripting, storyboards, compositing, editing, audio work, and more. I can't teach everything in one class, so I hope you will follow my profile. That way you'll get notified when I post new classes. Thanks for joining me today. And now, let's get into this class.